Israel's pretending that they have a legitimate right of self-defense. They're saying we have a right of self-defense, that an imminent threat exists that is coming. There's two things, though. One, in 2004, the International Court of Justice has addressed this very issue. And what they said is Israel has no right to articulate a right of self-defense under Article 51 because a occupier can never claim self-defense against the occupied. Right. Even in the case where there's necessity, they cite the necessity. You can't cite necessity to protect yourself from a threat that comes from within the scene of the crime. And occupied Palestine is a scene of a crime. Israel is an open violation of numerous international laws. So Israel can't cite international law to defend itself from its violations, ongoing violations of international law, even if it's in regard to this. So Israel can sit here and say, oh, there's a terrorist there, a terrorist there. It doesn't matter. Israel is the criminal enterprise. Israel is the nation that's violating international law. And it doesn't excuse, and again, I wanted to make this point. If you
who are they to say leave? I mean, you could flip the script and say, hey, Hamas told you to leave. You didn't. So they can just kill your civilians?
But again, let's just talk about the civilians that are dying here, because what Hamas did on October 7th was not a terrorist action. It was a well-coordinated, professionally executed military operation with clearly defined military purposes, and they've lured Israel into the ambush that they've been setting. The fighting that's going on in Gaza right now is going in accordance to the Hamas plan, not the Israeli.